everybody like Musa Tumbo, you go see somebody, you go snap put on, they put pressure, they call coach and everything. Then you the coach, you not get them. Like, you see the problem I can get sometimes they talk about on a visa get problem. Where sometimes some players they go on media, they go talk say we're in a Sierra Leone and wait because you know why we they compromise the job. The job, be professional on the job. You're not the coach. You want the best for the country, not compromise your job. Why compromising your job? Now you want to put the best player where we ever get in the field, the best striker for the moment. You want to pull him because of Musa Tumbo. Now gambling you take, right? Because Sierra Leone they are. If you say we go put on Sierra Leone, now good thing. Where this game come up? These are the biggest game where big pass all. I want to understand say this game a big pass Algeria. Because like Seluna, Ivory Coast the manual like how manual. You understand? They're not so like Algeria where most times they want to use the sense, they're not too hard or whatever. They were the manual like how manual. They go fair through like how they go fair to them. So not so game where you just feel say no more, if you go to on top person so he pass her. They think. Not so like Sierra Leone and defender though, where Musa Tumbo go just Ipso or wherever. The experience counts. You see the example of Coca, right? With defender. You see the experience, eh? You see the difference. You understand? You understand, right? You want to go take somebody because everybody that like Musa Tumbo, you see comedian, they all make video, you see somebody go snap with Musa Tumbo, una make una just want to go take that XT. Somebody don't prepare himself for a game, una get the guts for go call him. Go meet them, tell and say, I want you understand the pressure what they get, they call me from up here, the government, or this person, they call me, or this person, for let Musa Tumbo play. What the fuck you guys doing? You guys don't know what you do, ba. Una put politics for football, or for we see alone, una do something for. But next time they tell una make sure una they take that decision. Let the game not go well because I call una all that they call una and they really make una know say this una job. Una all for resign because na madness that one day. For let you go take your best striker, una see check on the game. Una create the highest chance for we. Na the game. Yes, where we almost score. Una get the guts mind back for go call am. You see how una they destroy young person in the career, eh? Now una go put una not mentally, una not disturb the whole preparation of a game. In all body now, una not shut down so. Somebody not prepare for a game. Then you go call and now say, and then they play for somebody like. But anyway, let's say this game. That decision don't have the takes. Let us succeed, Paramo. Because if we not succeed, now don't go no say that decision will make so. Now the worst of its kind now don't make so. Because if you really want use Musa, it gets all the time for use them. The game is there for use them. It still get time for use them. Change is there for happen. Read the game. Not take gambling because of waiting. Everybody ala Musa Tumbo. Sierra Leoneans, una left this style here. Una not the ala Musa Tumbo just because una say una blind on football. Una not support blind because all these people they suffer by this salon business here. Una they support blind support. The person they wait for good results, not so that una they follow blind support because everybody want join at the same train. Now train they make with they suffer we all life so now this country here. When I done una the guy say hey this now una self they make people they suffer now this una they support blind. Sometimes una stand up, don't make like una understand. Una not just they support because of una want support. Musa Tumbo a very good player. I say I like her and everything, you understand? But una think about the mental side una the try for Kian, una the try for destroy at the young age. Now, you know nice. Una protect her. Again, the time the last game, for una put already Boboka show himself, let build from there, una staff her. Now, how get a game where una not even checking match fitness if you go na Amos game, if you go able for keep up, una want to get a game where for the best striker where we don't see at the moment. The best striker at the moment, we get numbers past everybody. Now, una want to go gamble for waiting. Una tell me now, for waiting now, Andua. Whose benefits if it get to which salon? Now, whose benefits? You know to make that salon people now. So if they see that changes there, now pressure they put for now. So if una want make that madness there, una give even back. Let una go start out because that madness una make so. That call they not get anything. That call they not only make you win. Yeah, una no say the right plan. Una tell them back. Who's una get the call? Una tell them say no, it's not working like that. Football is not like that. This player nine don't do this thing and right now in games up. You understand? Not destroying in confidence. In confidence is up. You see what he do the first game, everything. So why you go allow call? They go make a job. Sometimes you see now the problem is what you get to una salon coach there. Una know the thing una the compromise. This is wrong. This is football. If una get for makes football like how una the adman at the world, una stand Football get laws, it get command. Take care for yourself. Now the best thing, take the football for yourself. You understand? For your pride. Not allow them intimidate you. It's bad. Now the only reason this way they frustrate Musa Kalon because now the only possible way you know the tolerate her. You rather Saka, but you know the change where in beliefs in that go. And I make watch. Now you see in level at where you go, where you take or something I feel like. When I see because you know the compromise. Ain't no better in land in sport a player in no what he's supposed to be. Why not the compromise? Because they promise you something or give you a job or whatever. Be yourself. Be for the nation. This is not for the nation. And nation time is one football and put everybody together. Una not go now frustrate. Now una want get problem. Now where the game go come back. Una want online now the same thing una do back for Nigeria game. I talk and before some people let me say I talk for her. I said the only striker will get you now when I playing striker right now Andrano. Real striker right now Andrano. The other players that will play near Andrano, then the versatile. In the pure striker when a goal puncher. You give the chances, it's a great time for you. Una one risk for go pull her because of everybody like Musa Tumbu. Waiting, like seriously, waiting on a point. What una try for sure? Who that una try for impress? Una feel say na wanna do so illegal. So we will get well of football. Now disrespect to everybody. You understand? Because a wrong decision and it don't make sense. So to sense decision. Okay? So the Sierra Leoneans over there and they go like, hey, because someone dance say Musa Tumbu. No, we want results. We all want play Musa Tumbu do good. But at the same time, we are not going to get under pressure. For just go take a game like this, no more, no go. Like seriously, what will they benefit from this? If we not go take a decision. So on our discover, on our best player. Now, mentally, we are not killer now. Now, where's it now? What's he going to go now? I want to say for building self where the game going to go bad. Now, I say, like I pray. Just like what I do in Nigeria. Mentally, is strong. A camp, a free way from. For now, qualify so. Now, you are the number one person. You understand? For now, qualify so. Then, now, we now go by the competition. We now go do about disrespect and back. Like, seriously. You see? Why you feel when I feel a big for outside this so? Now, numbers they put make it start. Numbers. But una not realizing that numbers he puts. Una not you see when they disrespect her like say it's shit. You know it's painful. People always sabi about football. Then they disrespect footballer. So you see sometimes where people they disrespect footballer. Why sometimes you see like say then people are not for to talk to certain people, but for some reason now some people they give some people a chance for doing. Una get people away there and back when are big players there. They see that you that madness they see, they're all quiet. Because una all effects for something, una all effects. Una, let's say una, I swear una, then una compromise on make so. When not reach now, una picking the sofa the back. Then una go una start waiting a real life. Because now which una gets? Which? Because not una born now. If now you picking me, they also. For nobody, like the president call you, you tell us, no, now in the play. Because you don't say, besides saying that you picking, now you get the numbers, now you are the most on player. You know good one. Because not on a picking, you defect for what's in on a pocket. As soon as I get some so down a pocket, now I get big trouble to come back. Now so I see. Yes. It's so sad. It's so sad. All Sierra Leone. Now we never go do the unbelievable things by any kind of thing in life. The way I swear and swear we back. We will not for every duty right. You go see people and now look at Sierra Leone will not do fine. Right now, we gladly now say yes. Today in a game, look the madness we are going to do. Which now? If not to some of una, I doubt if una some of una, I'm glad to say we go under safe. Now una only one leg so na glad, but look what you do. Now the tenant that you go call you are going to drop your best player for go put one because everybody there Musa Tumbu, Kochi now Musa Tumbu. They go call say call from Ola. I get problem. They threaten me. I know they sleep. Sack. Tell them say I quit the job. If I not take medication, una sack me. Walk off from your job like a man. Then let's say alone and stand by you say you do the right thing. That you don't compromise your job. That you don't already don't lower yourself. Because at the end of the day, you will never get that power, that saying, that control ever again for stand on something where you believe say this is not the good thing for Sierra Leone. Because you don't use for compromise. Allow them for compromise with you. But at this video, I do and purposely for let know say if anything come in at the number one, I come back for una all for say first because when the thing come about, then they go say no to me, una you not get focus. So that starts for me now. So down at the decision una go make so. Whether now if na that witch master una go now let the Sierra Leonean and una say na dan do una wan do. Una no go start with best player. Una tell me one, I don't tell about. Give me one player where right now, now the strike, where na the hottest dana, where get numbers pass on, and give me one. Now no get respect for people. It's sad. It's sad. Okay, wait. Abdullah, wait, Arkaji. Abdullah, right now, I don't frustrated, but right now, I don't angry, I swear. I don't really angry. La position first. Abdullah, Arkaji. Come on. Live thing at the table now.
You see that? You see that the thing there, we're going live then this year. You know when you talk, who about football, it depends we individual. When they say football, it depends we individual. Because they don't help them where they physically help them. They don't help them where they physically help them. First of all, you look to the statistic of the players, they always go. From the strike, and they have been called one by one now. When you look to the statistics, and they take the go so Europa League they score. At the end of the day, they're stupid because at the end of the day, when you see, okay, now they don't understand the Algeria game. What's happening with Algeria game? When they play a big team first, when they play a big team, the mentality just the way they talk. Most of that Twitter they get the money, they bully them. But you don't get European experience, you don't get international experience. At the end of the day, if they like that, disrespect this way the profit they get for them what they are. Now they say when they talk, they never stop because they begin call me. Why Musa so much?
I don't go reach that. I don't go. Okay, don't let Musa to protect the kid, man.
Because he protect. No, make a talk. I say no let him because at the end of the day, if you want come, the man don't get opportunity to play for play that hero. Everybody they don't sabi ball. Everybody just the Allah. Everybody just the Allah. Because of West Saloma don't like say na favorite. The last time to the same team, they bench Musa for Buya. Buya they win goal and Musa Sweden.
Exactly.
Musa good pass Buya. Musa dreamy waking good pass Buya. It creates good pass Buya. But because everybody they Allah Musa. When they go play the Westman, when they go check, they go right Musa to me. Okay, Belly, he has the call first. Because you know, not to come for her. No profile they come for her. And we go le boots as alone away in a different idea. But just like the disrespect, in a done. You see IG again, where and the other 9 fights there. And Musa, first of all, when they play that game there, again for no say for over 50 million people they watch us live. The pressure they partner. For go chase the man, you know they don't have for chase and for them. Because Alaji, they don't play game the way big pass game the day. They don't play game the way big pass. You see where Algeria play, you see Algeria play, you defend he allowed them to play. Because that take man in the score, we get the cross, they make use of her. But everybody from the last, even when Musa to not play, they look to one player with them. But at the end of the day, we win leg ball now we they suffer. Me na talker. The other way no leg ball. Everybody will go paint to wear green, white, and blue because of Sigalio. But who win leg ball, you they feel the pain. Because you don't know what you take for leg contract in Europe.
Big una share because I want let them go see about Otoka. That una follow us upstairs. Una pull on politics for this footballer. Una pull not so football not the politics.
Take for leg somebody they play with man country.
This politics.
Every because you see they encourage any bobo. Every because they encourage bobo. Every because they encourage bobo. Every because they para one day.
No, the manual they use enforce everything.
One, every course the manual like a week, then two. They want to escape Algeria for this game.
Exactly.
They want to escape Algeria. This is the first game this for all two team there.
Exactly.
So the last one they tell for tell us say the remaining people don't catch the big one there. The remaining people they feel comfortable. But 1 million, how much more Rangers again? 2 million. 2 million. You know what you want to take for their budget for 300,000 euros per year? But then people don't get sense. Yes, you all can year, but Rangers are 2 million will get per month. You know what you want to take for them 20,000 euros, 25,000 euros per month? But then people are not sabi nothing and blind. The last time they talk, oh, why they can't disrespect? Of course. How many players can? How many players succeed? But when you said it's good, they feel say I hate you, hate Salon. But you were there for ball. If Salon lost, you got friend the way they call you. You got a friend the way you can call me. Hey, look your team. But this is just wicked myself. I just start about.
And I don't feel this and Teresa angry soon because of Musa not a good player. I don't understand. Musa not very good player.
They don't understand. He's a very good player. But in terms of international experience, Okay.
protect.
Like you see, I don't know people. Take example. Musa play against Liberia. Okay, assist to and he win one on board. When I play Liberia on base versus Sierra Leone on base, you see Musa. The same thing Nigeria. Don't know where they talk. And you see where you can say the first match way back to Nigeria the defender, then change her because it's getting believe. Up the year, I need the losser. Up the year, I need the losser. So they can game there. Ube really need that.
Go back. Qualify me.
No, not get respect. When they say, me, I don't believe now. People say, they don't get respect for the professional. Nobody they kill themselves for getting one side in Europe. They kill themselves for sending green, white, and blue goal. Then nobody in the salon and believe. Salon ball when the midfielder. You know how many they see Musa to Monasalo? You know, say from the defender. You know, say.
I saw you for some of them. It's una common sense na no sabi use them. No, because certain I go say are too ash. Some of una common sense na no sabi use them. And no say like Musa Tumbo. We all like Musa Tumbo. We see potential on
They
him.
never understand. They never understand. Hey, it can start to score. It can start to score. Now they no disrespect. Now football.
Manage them. You understand? For like go able they give at least a time, then 30-40 minutes with waiting he go get. Because you not get that match fitness, you not play that competition.
You not play, yes.
It's way
no.
the
two people they do more.
Like even now, for example, like the time the way he win the golden boots at Salon, where he get effective league games them, you understand? You understand? At that time, you get able to say you at this time, no, you not get them. You understand? And the boss where they want go pull out for Ansu, when all lost here. When are the best striker right now? Now Europe, the best for all Sierra Leone, and then right now with the play, now the best player striker at the moment. You understand? With numbers. But I don't understand facts. I tell you numbers. Go anytime you play, you understand? So you need a risk for go drop your best player or wake it up the player himself. Right now, mentally, you know, like today, I saw you go perform or everything. Then you go all of a sudden for go tell and say, I saw that get called for ball.
Who's got this guy nowadays? But John the way you talk about more, John the way you talk
kill somebody, you kill him. Imagine you kill him, then you carry it with somebody way because the old ones
because of the one left
or for some reason like it's getting at the media. That kind of madness. No. So
Emo is sorry food because in the year football world.
To understand exactly, say you never do that kind of decision. Okay, it's a dump decision. That decision is very stupid. Okay, other way not for talking. Now, very very stupid decision. You understand? Hey, you go there. It might get good game. Yes, it might get good game. Not tell you say.
But professional is professional. You get for respect. You get for make the almost give professional respect.
Or if something go bad now, when I want kill. Hey, Musa Tobo, you let me down. Hey, Musa Tobo, because when I feel like
okay, well, look like the two way I put Buya. Look like the two way I put Buya. Look like the two way I put Buya.
Yeah, now one of the best players where everything they do, even on their own. Even on their own, as we all know, I say for their own, it's still a work for it.
They can't begin to talk. No, you forget selfish. Some people are too hypocrites.
Una just the try for look for the side way. Una go all possible for Kina. Una feel that the joy that una get. Waiting at the joy una they get for let una criticize for. And down una a better person. This footballer now game where it's difficult. Not to how you see on a TV. Una look the see like it's easy. It's very hard. It's very hard. You understand? And I want to understand. Then defender away where then players say they go play against you. Now defender the way they're smart, they're strong, they're intelligent. Not so like Salon.
You don't understand. Yes. You can't link for yourself. You can't link for that.
Go make so. No. Sometimes if you beat her, when they can jam, you feel it strength. You understand? Sometimes when they jam, you not for you lose the ball, but for you lose possession. So you know they're able tell you to come back to the ball, they don't flop. So all that counts with experience. And they give you an example on that game. That Coca. There's a one ball where for scope away. You know what in the striker do? A run across him. You see what he do? A avoid and so. A balance and force, a run bien. As the guy go for a kick, he stretch himself, he save the ball. If Nami any inexperience. For example, if na saloon defender, and they go jam and straight, where the guy caught before, so it just jam in foot.
Yes.
But because it experience, I do, it avoid that because it get for go take time for let get himself for kick. A run behind her, it go himself to save the ball. That's to tell you where you don't get that experience. Now the same thing with Adriano right now. Right now, the confidence they para, they don't get a good game. Right now, they don't prepare like a whole different level, right? Then for all of a sudden, for long I go call him, go meet him.
Me, I feel pain because they disrespect to professional. Highly respect the professional because at the end of the day, you look, they're facing a Premier League, they play in a salon. When they watch the game in a stadium, I must pass the pass. You know the reason I made they see Musa? Maybe Musa is a good striker. Okay, if you play in Europe, to say, okay, game will play. But the most important thing for football, you never understand. Salon from the goalkeeper to the number four. Direct to the striker. They get striker, the keeper and compete there. And the best striker. But with man in Europe now, you know, see ball, they begin up in the year. They get for begin from the BN. They get for begin possessor. Then now, today now the pressure, okay, yes. At the end of me, okay, that's the way say no, nothing, you don't rest. You don't come for company. They can't call you say somebody. And the way Musa together that last game, hey, if I don't play 20 minutes, if I don't play this. So at the end of the day, go look at the Yano, say, you even senior pass and the Yano. Because the same stupid they do against Buya. And Musa Tomo no good pass and the Yano. He no good pass Buya. He no good pass Augustus. Because the man is on a high salary, what's man not Chris? What's man go pay $50,000 because of the like you or the C5 face? No, now what thing they put on? But everybody Musa Tomo, everybody Musa Tomo. Me, I just play no more so win. If he play, he score, but no disrespect. If he play, he score. But professional, where they send the green, white, and blue, fella up, we get for respect them. Now I made the last year I stand by that. When they left Augustus, now I make a stand by that. I know I may talk about that one day, but me and you two know when they laugh free. Where's Salon loss?
Some show they make, I tell you sometimes. But you know, I can't left now. But what I can't left now so now? I can't read just few comments that I respond to now. You understand? I know they listen. Say hello.
I'm not need for you comments. Left comment. No need for you comments. No just play. The game will itself happen. At the end of the day, we just need for the continue. But
you understand? It's so hard to understand, like from which angle you understand.
No, they don't understand. You don't understand.
Like, you know why I want to see stuff like that? Because we don't brainwash anything that this world. You understand? On a prayer, on a this. Because but they don't teach you from most small. See, we even believe that when you get money, like when you see get money, we in a blessing. We get money because now that they don't teach you. Not understand. So we get sector. You get for investor by some way. Now in the investing safe for the year will bless other person changing life, right? But because we don't get that mentality, all I know sometimes when I just this person will see me can they go shine or this will go beat them. We not value for understanding. No, you get for work this work, or now this work you get for work for let you get this result, or now this you get for do for let you get this result. We not just believe no more. It happen. Everything just believe in God no more. Just go and no more. Go. No, you believe in God, yes, but if you put it in action, you understand? You just put it in action, then the small and ain't God can help you with. But if you not put it in action, I like you pray from here to tomorrow. Don't you need to get for it till you die. You don't ever see somebody they say Papa God give me money. Say, when I check down there, text them not get money. They poor, they die. The guys say they die before themselves, right? But when you pray, you forget something where you go do. Go work. Now there you blessing the go through. Now the prayer down the way God bless you. So now the same mentality, most of us Sierra Leone again. When I just feel say it's a magic. Oh, Musa Tobo, yeah, we come, he go make, when I go shape around, when I go make. No, you don't get anything. A good player, they're not telling you to a good player. You protect them. Why you protect them? Because now player where you get for needing, you understand, right? So what happens? A lot of go through a good player, you understand? So because of that now, mentally match fitness, you don't get them compared to other because the player they play. Yeah, I don't understand. Maybe
you don't understand.
You don't understand. We they play week in, week out, like which you actually get.
Which you gain every day.
Or the difference. You don't understand. You understand?
So what's sugar?
Examples. I go on a simple example. Say like this game against Tunisia. It was a perfect time for Musa to move for carry place and Gano will not come out so. Now not the right person for come. You know why? Because like I keep the ball because we believe say it's strong, they get speed for keep the ball. So and the time the way Buya made it off, therefore no reserve Buya, then pull Buya one time and then pull even Kai said them is supposed for rest in leg. You understand? Because if you don't too much for him, you don't overwork. You understand? Put fresh leg. When Musa they can hold the ball, they will connect, they will cause them something. But at some point, we not make no changes and we kill the one that we get fresh legs. You understand? Make the overtire, make them they get easy past them. We really want cause we. God bless we defend and we goalkeeper. We actually work extremely well for him for this point. We a very way, okay. So if you're not able for give Musa Tumbo that time day, for let Billy set that side, at least if you get that good game day, the next game now, like now, it is well prepared. Now you want to put some for a game where now the most needed game we want. When I think about it, why
and the most important game this today. Because Ivory Coast will escape Algeria. Ivory Coast will escape Algeria. They will win. We win automatically. We don't qualify.
So
because at the end of the day, people never understand. People never understand about ball. Everybody, about that's way. Where's the they honor like where sugar, where to sugar and gone. Like now, if you can't see Adriano play, they play the same ball we play back last week. Bundu, they play the same ball we play back last week.
Imagine
because in their side body, because the confidence, everybody don't get that.
Because anytime the ball comes, is there. Because what's happening right now, it there on goal point, the goal there on the right hand, the goal the answer any side. We all lost it.
We saw you.
Any other kick the score because the confidence is there. You need to go break that confidence. It's disrespect to the highest level. Don't understand.
Disrespect, man. Disrespect.
Sometimes I don't understand football. When somebody understand, now I argue like no. It's not nice. It's not nice.
First of all, before Ivory Coast can play winner, they don't even begin check who then the player the winner, the key player the hold the count. Now they be the sky for say. How many players they will get in Europe?
If Ivory Coast get that news, this is oh, they the bench that
player. Yeah, don't go to bench.
In the building, they more confident. Say, wow, well, one of the best players say, you know, make another one. So they get more confidence, like, okay, fine, good, we will get less pressure. You understand? So you don't do that, especially when are you best player? Okay, if you best player,
of course, if you saw the give back the cage, Kulje, anything will be so now short ball. Anything will say now short ball. Kulje say don't see the lineup. Kulje anything will give now short ball. Now short ball. The man is start.
The man, I don't say now.
They don't believe.
I need to come on because I know I create problem. I decide to myself for me. I don't tell I say anything when me tell you something. I know they can because
they don't believe.
I did tell you things.
Attention, you want attention. People don't know about that anymore. Just don't just play for the team. Don't play for the team. Don't play for the team.
So I come and tell you now the only reason I come on live now for that time and for let's say I don't know say wasting the way it really wrong. Right now, the best player in confidence now the Hamasu for put somebody way because everybody else say Musa Tumbo, right? Well, we all know say even to the professional level, with legends they within a saloon. It never happen to any side of who started up play. When I know that one day, it never happen. They no say it never happen. But now all is saloon because when I play with people emotion, right? When I want feel like when I say want join the trend, that makes some people let they go. They Musa Tumbo because I want join a Musa Tumbo in trend. You say for saying a Musa Tumbo, right? It's
that's it. Everybody gets fame Musa. Everybody gets fame Musa. But it really bad to me. You too bad. To me, you too bad. To me, you too bad. Because we all know what he take na Europe here. What he take. Musa must, when they say, okay, Europe, you get to understand what he means. You the same disrespect. Go look Augustus. You left Augustus. For who that? Who's 28 player we good reach Asalo reach Augustus? Now we they play in Italy. That's why they spend me. I don't sleep on net. I don't sleep on net because at the end of the day, you don't give them best boy confidence. When they can now, you can't pack caps for them. When they can now, when they can begin play, what is they able to do? If you say how many it takes, how many million people, that's 627 players, they take part in this tournament. You know how many million footballers in the world? Nigeria alone, you know how many good players they don't take part? So for you, they go do trial. They have to see everything by you. But the people are just blind and not be always they know, oh, I'll play this, I'll favorite this, I'll favorite this. So but me, this is just who elects Salon footballer, who's sorry. Now they talk about men, who's sorry. So now it don't happen. Let go. That makes no sense. No more say at the end of the day. No me say we Musa to go there start and go. It is score. But we get for respect to professional Gambia. Gambia. Well, yeah, Gambia, Arabia, me picking back.
Yeah. I just I get
Gambia, they pardon. So now you see the problem now. Now Gabon and group long one best loser. Then yesterday back Egypt and group they get best one loser. Gambia if they don't see the back, they get one best loser. So we only option we need to enough for win. So go for the 4 best loser there.
Today we really when I today one of the most game like
well, that guy don't play football in our country more. People don't sabi them blind. Not just play to go say we get the victory, any other kind of thing. But the most important thing, we win the game, we win the game. But this disrespect, you have to stop to a professional there. That guy that work hard under coal, forget a fucking contract. That guy that they under 300,000 euro contract a year. Then they do the play away there. Now just $1,000 the whole year. $1,000 and $300,000. $300,000. Can you compare which man stupid, which man we know ball all team? Which man we can sleep in no ball? They do not mistake there. Alaji in the scrap.
That man
they eject for the play.
You see
they eject Alaji play because they know so important.
We get it's why they tell us sometimes they will not respect people eh. When I just say people down a mentality when I get when I don't say no more. When I go just bigger people and then go na money when I reach by that or we then go na for go when I go thief when I reach by that. When I don't feel so easy for us to get something eh.
I don't understand.
Where imagine somebody go scrap, wait grab, they start time back to sky, score for the back, The another man put an and we get that. Then one of the things like
that. Denmark league the 12 in the wall. Denmark league the 12 in the wall. Denmark league. Alaji the scrap, he come out to the kind of starter. But the disrespect is too much. This alone in Sababundi, this is too much. But I want to me, I get for blast for the back, but today no more so they win. I think they will blast. But the most important thing, me, I get for stand for the professional league. Say therefore respect that country. Now best for they go give them 2 million, 3 million. The next 10 years, this one owner should also want to watch them. At the end of the day, if you say they play la salon league, then they play premier. They never get what he gets. But some people never understand. They never understand. All the professional league, if you say what they take, now home base play where they make money, and they need to copy at Tunisia home base there. This is the home base there. If Salon play Tunisia alone, they don't need to play in Europe. Because you don't have 400,000 euro per year. You're okay. But just $1,000 per year every month, 1 million. Every month, 1 million. Then you fix it and then they will help people. You help her. You go for you put them done.
So yeah, Abdullah, that left man
no, guys. That's a lot.
I know say this na salu. Yeah, na salu get everything, but wait till
everything possible.
Not to pay. And this one they do so. That's when I make a lost respect for now. When I avoid this politics side football. This football now for we the fans follow and jam. You understand? This game now we the feel and the most. You understand? And now we the benefit the less. We the fans. You understand? And what we know to say we get the players and for deliver the numbers or the good performance. We try for armor we say based on for some certain decision the whole so feel say this person now we do this call get for go bluff say and I mean make this happen. Yes. That you
Lord just play so no more win the game, we play win the game, but we're sorry, Salon, especially we don't get nobody, and then people they watch Salon. Even the one where they talk so when they in the comment section, they don't go watch Salon Premier League. That's what the Premier League the empty perception Carlo Lions. They are the same as Lucky Motomani, the kind of comment section can be the talk like country striker. When they go watch yourself, they never buy boots for yourself. If you say we are Motomani so na praise where they praise that. Yeah, good vibes there, but boy, you good over you have to go sacrifice. Go play in Europe. Go do so team. But at the end of the day, we don't feel like una because you want to get Musa Tomo na the best player. Musa Tomo be the best player. Musa be best player. Musa Tomo no good pass boya. I didn't give my wake self and they play Musa Tomo before boya. I didn't give my wake and they play Musa before Augustus. I didn't give my wake and they play before Adigano. I didn't play before Bundu. Because the man they pass over 200,000 euro contracts in Europe. Then $1,000. You don't compare stupid. We'll talk them, you talk this or that because we all want together. Everybody they be a Musa. That disrespect. Now the club and the other now the club look where just Alberta. Now in club, all you know, say that keep
don't go disrespect us to Sambu Salou.
Then they're not disrespect to player. Augustus will go to the club, so the club say no, see alone. Even I don't need for that choker. Because they look say no number ball. The people don't know ball. Hey, we technical team are the best, we technical team are that. You see the guy first defender like 2 man all day.
You see some of who do in the wood, right? They make people they think like say we see sometimes something wrong with you, like mentally we not okay. And trust me, we behavior there, it fits in a narrative. They like we actually not okay because when they do the things the way it's weird. Now we know what you go see do them kind of things.
Me, I don't get my talk right sir because you don't want me. I don't want to say me more important than talk, but to be most important. Okay, you will win the game.
Yes, but
We will win the game.
The only
All the best you star.
This game here will want you. Me, if you not come on the way they come on, that one of the Swedish. I know they say now one of the Swedish because then game there, not to them